Exercise 4.5 quadrilateral READ. It is a square. So let us draw the figure. It is the rough figure. RE is 5.1 cm, EA is 5.1 cm, AD is 5.1 cm and DR also 5.1 cm. So it is a square. So let us start to draw. Now first of all we will draw the line segment RE of 5.1 cm. So this is 5.1 cm. Now from E, this is R, this is E. From E we will draw the 90-degree angle because it is a square. So all the angles will be of 90 degree. So let us draw 90-degree angle. Draw the semicircle. From this draw one arc. From here draw another arc. From this both arc draw one arc on the upper side one by one, and we will get the cross. We will join this cross and you will get the 90-degree angle. This is the 90-degree angle. Now we can see here EA is 5.1. So from E take the measurement of arc of 5.1 centimeter. We will take the measurement of 5.1 centimeter and then draw the arc with center E. So this is the measurement of 5.1. This is EA. You will extend this line up to X. Now from point A, as it is square, again you will take the measurement of 5.1 centimeter. So this is 5.1 again, and take the arc with A as center. Now we have to take the fourth point. So from R as center, take one more arc here. We will get the fourth point and it is point D. Now join this point AD and point DR. So this is also 5.1 centimeter. This is also 5.1 centimeter. So our quadrilateral READ is ready and all the sides are of equal measure, that is 5.1 centimeter, and the angle is 90 degree each. Question number 2. Rhombus. Here diagonals are given. One diagonal is of 6.4 centimeter and other diagonal is of 5.2 centimeter. So we have drawn the rough figure here. ABCD is the rhombus and BD is the diagonal of 6.4 centimeter and AC is diagonal of 5.2 centimeter. So let us draw. So first of all we will draw the middle diagonal, that is AC. It is of 5.2 centimeter. So let us draw 5.2 centimeter AC. So AC is 5.2 centimeter. Now we have to draw the perpendicular bisector of this middle line. So taking more than half, this is half, and taking more than half means more than half we will take approximately, and we have to draw the perpendicular bisectors on both the side of the points. Upper side from C point, upper side and lower side. From A point, draw the perpendicular bisector. One arc on upper side and the other arc on lower side. Now we will draw the line joining these 2 points. So this is the middle line. Say XY. Give the name X and Y here. Now this line passing through XY we have to take as 6.4 is the other diagonal. So half will be on the upper side, half will be on the lower side. So 6.4 divided by 2 equal to 3.2 centimeter. So we have to cut off 3.2 upper and lower side both. So here this is of 3.2 centimeter. Okay, so 3.2 on the upper side and here 3.2 on the lower side. So we will join these points now. So this point let us take as D and the below point is B. Now remember that this arc which we are taking for perpendicular bisector should be very sharp. So this perpendicular bisector arc should be sharp. Don't overwrite on the arc, once only you draw it. So from here we have taken 3.2 measurement and we have got the point B. This is the arc of point B, and so our quadrilateral ABCD is ready. This is 6.4 full diagonal, this is 5.2, and this perpendicular bisector is XY. So our quadrilateral ABCD is ready. Question number 3. Rectangle. The sides of rectangle are given. One side is 5 cm, one other side is 4 cm. So opposite side will be also equal. These two are 5 cm and these two are 4 cm. And the rectangle we have taken as PQRS. So let us start to draw. First of all, we will draw line segment PQ of measurement 5 cm. So PQ is of measurement 5 cm. Now with P as center, first we have to draw 90-degree angle. So let us take the rounder and draw the 90-degree angle from P. Draw the semicircle first, and with the same measurement draw one arc for 60 degree. This arc is for 120 degree. From this both arc, draw one arc on the upper side, and from other point also draw one arc on the upper side. We will get one cross. So this will be the point for 90 degree. We will join it. So thus we can get 90-degree angle. Now PS is 4 cm. So with the help of scale, take 4 cm measurement with rounder. And with P as center, this is point P. So with P as center, cut off arc of 4 cm. We will get the point S here. Point S. Now from point S, again this is 5 cm. So this line also will be 5 cm. We will take the measurement of 5 cm again and we will draw the arc. cm, and from S draw the arc this side. Now we are getting the point R here. This point Q, from Q point make the measurement of 4 cm again and draw one arc from Q which will intersect the previous arc. So we will get the point R here. So let us join now SR, SR and RQ. So in this way our rectangle PQRS is ready. Here this is 5 cm, so this will be 5 cm. PQ is 5 cm, SR is 5 cm and PS is 4 cm. So QR also 4 cm. And this angle P is 90 degree. All the other angles also will be of 90 degree each. So our rectangle PQRS is ready. Parallelogram OKAY. Now OKAY is the parallelogram. OK is 5.5 cm, KA is 4.2 cm. Now parallelogram opposite side are equal in measure. So OK is 5.5, so AY is also 5.5. OY is 4.2 and KA also 4.2. So let us start to draw. First we will draw the line segment OK. So OK we will draw of 5.5 cm. So now here angle measurement is not given. So without taking any angle measurement, from K point we will draw an arc on any side of 4.2 centimeter. First we will draw a ray KP at any angle. There is no need to take any angle, so draw ray KP. And from K, this is 4.2 centimeter. So let us take the measurement of 4.2 centimeter. And cut off the ray cut off an arc here. This is 4.2 centimeter. Now this is 5.5 centimeter. Now opposite sides are equal in measure. So from A point we will take again the measurement of 5.5 centimeter for here and we will cut the arc. So take measurement 5.5 centimeter again. And from A point cut the arc here. Now this is 4.2, so this line will also be 4.2. So from point O cut the measurement of 4.2 centimeter. Take measurement of 4.2 and from point O mark the arc which will cut the previous arc. So this point will be the fourth point Y. Now we will join this cross with this. This is point A, this is point Y. So we will join YA and OY. So let us see, this OK is 5.5. So YA also we have taken 5.5 centimeter because it is parallelogram. KA is 4.2 centimeter. So OY also 4.2 centimeter. Now, so we can see here OK 5.5 centimeter, KA 4.2 centimeter, AY 5.5 centimeter and OY 4.2 centimeter. So our parallelogram OKAY is ready. Today we have finished the lesson number 4. Construct all the quadrilaterals up to exercise 4.5 in your classwork using instruments and write the steps of construction. Thank you.